Hello, and welcome to the US Founders Club 2.0 dashboard tutorial. Today we are going to be showing you how this dashboard works and to show you why it is the best place to track your points for the US Founders Club 2.0. To get to the dashboard, go to tools.doterra.com/s/Founders Club. You can see at the top of the page that it shows the total points earned for the program so far. You can also click on the 200 Places Remain button to see who has qualified as a US Founder 2.0. As of right now, in October 2020, we still have 200 spots open, so there's definitely still time to start on your journey towards becoming a US Founder 2.0. There are 5 different ways to earn points for this program, and on the dashboard they are divided into 2 categories: personal points and Enrollee Points. Personal points are earned from your own personal achievements, which are personal rank advancements and enrolling new members to doTERRA and helping them join the LRP program. Enrollee points are earned from your personally enrolled leaders' achievements. Let's look at rank advancements in the personal points section first. Personal rank advancements give you the most earning potential for points for US Founders Club 2.0. When you rank advance, you can earn more points than any other category for this program. In this test account, you can see that their starting rank when the program began was Elite, but now their 2.0 rank, or current rank for the program, is Silver. They have earned 75 points for hitting Premier 3 times, and 90 points for hitting Silver 3 times. When you click View More on the right-hand side of the page, it expands the chart so you can see all the monthly point values for each rank advancement. If you requalify for a rank, it means that you have hit a rank that you had achieved previously, but not since before November 1st, 2019. Now let's look at enrollments in LRP. As you can see, this person has earned a total of 7 points so far from enrollments and LRP. For each US enrollment, you receive 1 point, and 1 point for month 2 and month 3 when they sign up for at least a 100 PV LRP. The dashboard is organized in a way to help you clearly see your newly enrolled leaders and keep track of whether or not they have set up an LRP for the 2nd and 3rd month. Now let's look at Enrollee Points. The second best way to earn points for US Founders Club 2.0 is through your personal enrollees rank advancements. Just like the personal rank advancement page, this page has a chart that shows you a complete breakdown of how many points you can earn per month for your personal enrollees rank advancements. In this example, this leader has hit Elite 3 times, so they are showing as complete. They also requalified for Elite, so they received half points. The same enrollee also hit Premier 3 times and earned full points for a new rank advancement. Then, the same enrollee hit Silver 3 times for full points as well. Overall, this personal enrollee has earned this account a total of 111 points. One of the best features in this dashboard is that you can click on a personal enrollee's name and it will take you to a profile page for that enrollee. This profile page shows you a complete breakdown of how many points you have earned from that personal enrollee in the 5 different categories. Points earned from Power of 3 and the empowerment bonus are similar, because you receive points when your personally enrolled leader earns the achievement for the first time ever. Let's look at Power of 3. When your personal enrollee achieves Power of 3 250 for the first time, you will earn 3 points. When they achieve it again in a 2nd or 3rd month, you will receive another 3 points each time. You can earn a total of 9 points for each personal enrollee in this category. Finally, let's look at empowerment bonus. When your personal enrollee earns the empowerment bonus for the very first time, you will receive 1 point. Then, when they hit the 2nd and 3rd time, you will receive another point each time. So you can earn a total of 3 points for each personal enrollee in this category. You may also see people listed in the potential section, which means they are a personally enrolled leader who has never earned the empowerment bonus before. This potential section is just a suggestion area to help you focus on the right people. Those are the 5 ways to earn points for US Founders Club 2.0. The dashboard was created to help you build a strong foundational business while also easily tracking your points for the program. If you select the How to Earn Points button at the bottom of the home page, it will take you to doterra.com/US Founders Club. The How to Earn Points page has educational videos, a complete breakdown of how to earn points, and the rules and requirements. You can also click the US Founders Club 2.0 button at the top of the page to see other page options. The home page includes helpful videos and a summary of the program. The FAQs cover common questions and answers, and there are resources available to download. In the original Founders page, you can see bios of the original US founders, who laid the foundation for doTERRA and were the inspiration for US Founders Club 2.0. And that is the US Founders Club 2.0 dashboard. We encourage you to check your dashboard frequently. The enrollments and LRP points are updated daily, and the rest of the points are updated after the commission run. Usually, the update is between the 20th and 25th of the month. If you have questions about US Founders Club 2.0, please contact your account managers, market development managers, or a member of the business advancement team. You can also visit www.doterra.com/US Founders Club for all the information. Thank you for joining us today, and have a great day.